Pai pai ni phai kre pho pini ada por phai ser ke pen rong bang rong hang pathua klamalong ingdeng trok sike bra pho Independence Day Catalan dun Catalan amayalong Hamren West Karbianglong DC Utpala Saikia pen Bharat adet alama pangjar ponsi khai alam than ta jermi pon bangso phit keklem kachipaduk mate sai angdeng apor kachipi thek abang phubang phi Dr. Jagulin Teronti Bhaskar Bora Lapen Borlong Kipimung Alang Litumaphan Nongnam Pajirpon Mayalong MLA Rup Singh Teron Lapen Karbiricho Ram Singh Ronghang Lapen Pinang Anman Kithe Abang Phubang Phia Tumta Chitong Dun
Approaching the pavilion, the Assam Police Platoon saluting the national flag. Followed by the CRPF saluting the national flag. And last but not least, the Don Bosco Band Group saluting our national flag.
भारत माता की जय ध्वनि पुकारने के लिए ऑफिसर।
Thank you. Honorable Sri Samson Kramsa, Giling Lindo. I next. Honorable Sri Rup Singh Katharpura. I request our Next, I call upon Honorable Sri Ren Singh Rokhar, Khanalong, Honorable Sri Samsing Hanse, HNKA. Next, I call upon Honorable Srimati Ampu Teropi Ajirvi to be felicitated by Honorable SP Sir.
West Karbianglong, Madam Utpala Saikia Hempensi, at Chupotpo, a token of honor and respect to Dr. Jacqueline Teronpi. She is continuously supporting the health system during the outbreak of COVID-19, first wave and also in the second wave. She is doing excellent in her job by providing her ma'am Utpala Saikia to felicitate him to Sri Bhaskar Bora. He is continuously serving the patient in the COVID Care Center CCC at Tumpeng. Tumpeng CC is the only CC and RT-PCR test at any time and anywhere as and when needed. He also gave his full support to COVID-19 patient as a health worker and give his valuable advice at his level. Of two nose of accused Borloki Timung and Sri Joning T from the village Krungphai, POPS Umbrangso, Timahasam in connection with Hamren Police Station case number 11/21 US 386/507/511 IPC. Felicitated by our Honorable SP Sir, West Karbianglong. The band party. Okay, thank you all.